Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing the cabin air filter for a Toyota Prius C. It's for these years right here on the screen, and this is from AutoZone, but there's going to be links in the description down below. You guys can pick them up on Amazon. There's a whole bunch of different options, and you can have it at your house same day or even like the next day. But let's go ahead and get started putting in the new cabin air filter. All right, so to put in the cabin air filter, we're going to have to go to the glove box and open it up. Make sure you take everything out because we have to drop it down further. And to do that, we're actually going to push in on the outside. And you can see these tabs right here. And then right down here, there's this like a little shock and it's hooked on. So we're going to push that towards the inside to pop it off. And then we'll push in on this side and then in on this side, kind of pinch them kind of in together. And then the whole thing will swing down. Alright, so that one's free. Oh, there we go. Alright, so then now it just swings right down, and it can actually pop off if you want to, or you can just kind of let it sit there. So right up in here is actually where we're going to pull this open. So it's going to be this whole panel right here. So then to pop it off, there's going to be these like little, like kind of weird little curvy pieces. We're going to pinch those together, and then that just swings right open. And then we can go ahead and grab that filter and slide it right out, which that one looks really bad. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take the new filter and we're just gonna go ahead and slide it right in place. And just like that, it's in. And now we're just gonna put that little door back on. And boom, just like that, that part's done. Now we can go ahead and take the glove box, get it set right back up into place. Let's go ahead and swing that back up. And then the little hydraulic thing on the side, we're just going to go ahead and snap that right back on where it popped off of. All right. And now we can go ahead and close up the glove box, and that is done. All right, so that was a quick and easy job, but if you guys did like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button. Like I said, there's going to be links in the description down below so you guys can pick up these parts, as well as the engine air filter while you're at it. You might as well just do them both at the same time. But if you guys like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.